Are you always rushing in the morning to leave for work and at the same time you want to have breakfast before you leave the house? Here is a simple smoothie recipe that you can try out and you absolutely love it. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have few pieces of strawberry. You can add more or you can add less, alright? I have honeydew, I have yogurt as well, and I have milk, and I have a little bit of chia seed. I'll go ahead and set it aside. For this particular recipe, I'm going to be making use of half of honeydew. I just divided it into two and I use spoon to scoop out the seed out of the fruit, alright? And I'll just go ahead and cut it into small pieces so that a blender can easily blend it. At this stage, I will transfer all the ingredients into the blender, cover it up and blend it until it's completely smooth. At this stage, our smoothie is ready. I just went ahead and transferred it into my smoothie jar. You guys look at that. It looks so creamy and it tastes absolutely delicious. I went ahead and top it up with the chia seed, and that is it, guys. Super simple and absolutely delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.